In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use short position view in TradingView. By the end, you'll know how to place the tool on your chart and set clear profit and risk levels so you can visualize a short trade with confidence. Start by opening TradingView and loading the market and time frame you want to analyze. Make sure your chart is visible and zoom to the area where you plan to build the idea. A clean view helps you see key levels like recent highs, lows, and support or resistance zones. On the left-hand toolbar, look for the prediction and measurement tools and select short position. This tool is designed specifically for short setups where you expect price to move down. Once selected, your cursor will be ready to place the position. Click once on the chart at your intended entry price. After you click, you'll see a compact overlay with red and green zones. For a short, the red area above represents potential loss if price moves against you, and the green area below represents potential profit if price moves in your favor. The tool also displays live metrics like percentage move and risk to reward ratio, which update as you adjust it. Drag the lower handle to set your take profit. Because this is a short, your profit target will be below the entry. Position it at the level where you'd reasonably expect price to reach, perhaps a prior swing low or a logical support area. As you move this handle, watch how the risk to reward ratio changes. Many traders prefer a minimum of 1 to 2 or better, but choose what fits your strategy. If you want precision, you can type exact values into the small fields on the tool's label so your target snaps to the price you have in mind. Now adjust your risk by setting the upper handle, which acts as your stop level. Place it above a meaningful technical level, such as a recent high or a clear resistance zone. Give it enough room so normal volatility doesn't knock you out prematurely, but not so wide that your risk becomes disproportionate. The goal is to balance protection with practicality. Once entry, take profit, and stop are aligned with your plan. Glance at the updated metrics to confirm the position makes sense for your approach. You can always click and drag the entire tool to fine-tune placement as your analysis evolves. Use this view to plan, test, and communicate your idea before you commit capital. This is for educational purposes only. Always trade responsibly and according to your own rules.